We're back at Pizza Hut. We're at the buffet. One of the last buffets I think are out there. Trent, you have any of these buffets?
The one in Nashua, but it's not an old-fashioned Pizza Hut.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
one of the new-fashioned Pizza Huts.
Yeah, this is an old-fashioned Pizza Hut. Show 'em. So yeah, they have the salad bar, they got pizza, pasta, I think they got breadsticks. We ordered our drinks, so we're gonna go up and get the Pizza Hut buffet. It's like we're in 1999 again. Yeah.
All right, provided is the classic salad bar with all of the fixings and a few salad dressings here at the end.
Check out the pizzas. Pineapple, green pepper, pepperoni. I'm gonna get one of these for sure.
Yeah, that's a lot of pepperoni.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Like extra pepperoni.
These are just like
This
freshly
one
that
just
came
came
out.
out.
I know.
This one just came out, so I'll go with a small cheese.
I'm guessing like the cheese and pepperoni are probably the most popular.
Probably.
They're basics. Having a little trouble there.
They got
Warm over
sausage. Sausage pizza too. They got two of them.
Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe that's the more popular one.
Yeah, sausage is always popular.
Ooh, that is cheesy. Look at that. And then over here, what's in here?
I think it's sauce for the breadsticks.
Oh,
I
nice.
love Pizza Hut breadsticks.
Yeah, and also the fact that there's marinara. Just you can like topple it if you want.
Yeah. Topple it.
Topple means top it, but with like extra amounts. That's gonna go in the dictionary. Topple.
Yeah, looks really good.
So on the other side here, there's sometimes they have the dessert pizza. Last time I think I did this, but they have penne and the cinnamon breadsticks, which I'll definitely be digging into that. Let's take a quick look here, a little close look at the sausage.
And green pepper.
And then this one's actually sausage and mushrooms. That's the difference, which is probably a good thing. And then green pepperoni.
Yeah, maybe some little Caesar salad. Little Caesar action.
With all the fixings.
Yeah. You can get it on camera. I made it.
Caesar salad is great. Got a big bite there?
Crouton.
Oh.
That's good. It's fresh.
Yeah, everything looked fresh.
I made a small one just to try it. Yeah, it's really good. The Caesar dressing is really creamy. There's Parmesan cheese, which is good. The croutons are really good. Stale bread, can't go wrong.
Stale bread with seasonings.
How was it? Your first experience? Is there anything else you'd like?
Just a little bit of salt,
You're welcome.
a little cheese. All right.
I wonder how many pizzas they cook for a buffet.
Pepperoni.
Perfect Pizza Hut pepperoni.
Yeah, really good. Tastes like classic pizza. Really good, yeah. I miss these.
What, the buffets or Pizza Hut?
Both. They're both getting rare.
I know. We have one in our hometown, but it's not
Yeah.
even close to...
Yeah, just one of the takeout only ones.
It has a drive-through.
Yeah.
We're pretty sure it all depends, too, on, like, the pans, because last time we were here with the video, the pan was, like, layered with
Like ancient.
ancient
It was
layers.
probably from the 80s, like cooked thousands of pizzas. It was really good. Has all the flavor all over it. Look at that.
Yeah,
Oh,
look
that
at
pepperoni.
that's a lot of pepperoni. Somebody was just throwing them on, right?
Good. Fried breadstick.
Toppled with marinara.
Topped. Topped.
Yeah, toppled.
It's really good.
Yeah, you can't really go wrong with their breadsticks,
No,
no matter what.
I really it's really good. It didn't taste it. Like pizza. Like it would if you would have ordered it. Which I guess is like the same. But I'm just saying that the quality isn't lowered because of the buffet. It's all still good.
Yeah.
The only thing you might get is like pizza that's been sitting there for a little while. But it's kind of expected. You
But
know,
it's
it just tastes
actually,
more fresh.
it's pretty steady in here today. There's a family that left as we were coming in, and I'd say at least half the people are in here. Half the restaurant is full.
And try.
Yeah. Pepper and onion pizza.
Is it good?
Classic Pizza Hut taste, but with peppers and onions.
It's really good.
And I got the sausage. Ooh.
Is it good?
Look at them.
Which one's better?
I think the sausage. And then I got penne. Pasta's my favorite thing.
Probably just okay.
Yeah, I mean, the sauce is sweet, which I did not expect. But it's not bad. I think this one's been sitting out for a little longer because it's cooler. Overall, not bad. But I'd say definitely so far the sausage pizza.
Well, I mean, the place was like.
Getting my money's worth. I got 3 more pieces and 2 more breadsticks. So I'll make 6 pieces and 4 breadsticks. I think I had 3 pieces of the first one, right? 2 pepperoni, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, here's the sausage. I haven't tried this one yet. Alright, it's good. What am I doing?
Dan forgot his toppings.
That was good. How much is it? How much is it?
I think it's at $11.99 somewhere. Am I thinking of that? I don't know. Well, we'll see the bill.
Yeah,
Good?
I'll feel sorry for the bigger end.
Yeah, I love
Pizza breadsticks.
Pizza Hut breadsticks. And here's a pro tip. If you like Pizza Hut breadsticks too, if you call, and when you order, ask for more of this seasoning on top, more of the topping. I always ask for extra. It's really good. What do you got here?
So, I have more pizza, but these are the cinnamon sticks. Except they should have like cream cheese dressing or icing or dippable something.
They usually do if you
Yeah.
order. If you order,
Yeah.
but when you come here, they just give you just the like the buffet.
It's
Just
like
the,
fried dough.
Is it like fried dough?
really good.
Oh, I am full. We're at the end of the meal. Trina's still eating, so I'm done. I had with 6 pieces and 4 breadsticks, a little salad. I'm full. Probably won't eat dinner.
So good.
Good? Got the check here. So we got two adult buffets for $24 and then 1 drink for $2.99. Coming up to $30. So $30 for 2 people. Yeah, if you just get waters, you could probably get it for like $27 plus tip.
I wonder what it was in 1999.
I think it was like $5.99 a person or something.
That'd be
$4.99
awesome.
a person. Yeah.
Imagine.
Yeah. But, yeah. Pizza Hut Buffet. Thanks for watching. Bye.